Webflow versus Framer. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see which one is better. So when it comes to pricing, both of these platforms offer a free version of theirs and you can simply sign up and check out them. But the cheapest plan on Framer is worth $5 and when it comes to Webflow it is $14. But when we compare the higher plans, then Webflow has a good amount of services and the offers that you can utilize in order to go for a higher plan, and that makes up for the price difference between the two. So it is a tie when it comes to pricing of these two platforms. And the second comparison is based on the flexibility that you get when working with these platforms. And on Framer, the flexibility is way higher as compared to Webflow, and you can just simply work around and make your designs, and it is quite flexible as compared to Webflow. So Framer takes the lead when it comes to designing stuff. Now the second comparison is based on the CMS, and this one is given to the Webflow, and that's quite obvious. You can work seamlessly when it comes to CMS on Webflow. Now the next comparison is on the basis of UI, and both of these platforms got a good UI and quite good for the designers out there, but it depends who is the user. If you are a developer, you would surely go for the Webflow and this is going to be like better for you. But when it comes to someone who has no experience in designing or being a developer, then you can go with the Framer. As a designer, you would like the Framer. So it depends on who is going to use this particular platform, and on the basis of that, it is up to you. And moreover, you can go with the free versions of both of them and check out which one is better for you. And I hope this short tutorial was helpful. So make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such helpful videos.